morning. My name is Leroy Casale, Director of Maintenance. I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you for all the hard work and expertise you bring to AIM each and every day. Your talents and strengths combined makes AIM a leader in the industry, and without that, our supply chain would be disrupted. I'm extremely grateful to be a part of such an amazing group of people. Once again, I wanted to say thank you, and now I'll pass it over to Terry Dimascio.
Hello everybody, my name is Terry Demacio. For any of you that don't know me, I'm here at the home office. And again this year I'm excited and proud to be able to be part of this week, this special week for the appreciation of the AIM technicians. I just want to take a minute and really say to everybody sincerely how much we really appreciate all that you do for AIM, and thank you for all your hard work and efforts. Here at AIM we adopted a message and a motto many years ago that service is our only product. And I want to say that today that's really what we're celebrating, as the mechanics are really the cornerstone and the foundation of the service that we provide to our customers. I'd also like to acknowledge everybody in the maintenance department because it is a team effort. Without everybody that supports the maintenance department, we really couldn't provide the service that we do today. So thank you everybody. We had very great success in the National East Tech Challenge. This year we had 4 winners out of 7 regions at the National East Tech Challenge. And those individuals were Dave Trainer out of Elkhart, Eric Maynard out of Erie, PA, John Norwood out of Phoenix, and Bob Marisgold out of Buffalo. So I wanted to just acknowledge everybody by name and say thank you very much. Now we did have many participants throughout AIM that did participate and didn't make it, but don't give up. This is just a great opportunity for everybody, so continue. And anybody that's hearing that it hasn't participated in this, please get involved in it because it's really great. I do want to take and acknowledge 2 of those people again, which is Bob Marisgold and Dave Trainer, who actually went further from the National East competition and were able to go to the national level at the TMC Super Tech. And that was really just a great opportunity there for those guys to be able to compete with companies all over the United States. So with that, again, I wanted to thank everybody and also remind everybody that we do have a referral employee program here at AIM. And it pays $2,000 for any employee that can bring forward a mechanic or a driver and have them come to work at AIM. I know that we have had just great and tremendous success with having this referral program. And really, it's probably some of our best hires because we know that an employee wouldn't recommend somebody that really wasn't first class. So we really have had great, tremendous luck with this referral program. So just, there it is, $2,000 for you, so go out and get it. The other thing that, again, I wanted to talk about was our customer survey. Every year we go out and do an annual customer survey and we ask questions about all the different departments and how they're doing with rental, or we're doing with maintenance, or we're doing with breakdowns, etc. Salespeople, billing, just all those kind of things. And again, this year we are still tabulating all the results of that. It just kind of occurred, and it appears that it's going to be favorable again for the maintenance department, that they got pretty good ratings, or really good ratings for that. One of the troubles that we're having for everybody, as you know, is that we get parts on back order, that the supply chain is just not where it's supposed to be today. We don't have enough substitute vehicles, and we're always struggling and scrambling, and you guys have done just a fantastic job trying to keep everybody up and running. So in conclusion, I just wanted to say, again, I can't tell you how much we really appreciate everybody in the maintenance department, especially our super techs. You guys are doing a great job. Just keep it up. So with that, I'm ready to pull a couple names out of the hat here, out of the basket, and hopefully it's going to be your name. So here we go. I'm going to pull 2 out. And that's that. Okay, and the first winner is Cody Cockerell out of Romulus, Detroit, Michigan. And this one is a blank, so I'm going to pull another one out. Must have been a cut on the paper. So, and the next one is Morgan Milstead out of Hensley, Phoenix. So congratulations, everybody.